Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a massive exchange which is Exchange1. Today we have a massive updates about this massive exchange, and also I'm going to show you how you can open future trades on this exchange with the 30% off from the trading fees, and also you don't need to miss out the $50 bonus, which is the airdrop event, which is still running, and you can go and take your place on this event. So stick around, try to watch this video until the end. We're gonna share something valuable, and don't forget to support us with like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it.
Audio Jungle.
And as you can see, this is the exchange homepage. Exchange1 is a fast-growing crypto platform offering both spot and futures trading. Getting started is super easy. All you need to do to create an account, you'll find the link down below in the description for a great bonus. So all you need to do to go to the link down below in the description, or maybe you can go to the exchange page. Let's open a new window from here, show you a demonstration of how you can create an account. It's super easy. As you can see, get into the home page, you can click sign up, and as you can see, you can enter your email, password, invitation code. You'll find mine in the description for a great bonuses, and you can accept or agree the terms and click sign up. That's all. And after this, you can log in your account, activate the KYC for all the features, and you can join this massive exchange. As you can see, we had 30% discount on future trading fees. So this is the page. As you can see, trade futures with 30% fees off plus 1 million USDT up for grabs. So as you can see, you need to sign up, complete the KYC, trade any futures pair, and get 30% off. That's all. It's super easy. Also, they have massive events over here, 50 USDT airdrop for a top 100 users. So all you need to do to deposit at least 100 USDT that you can use in your daily trades. You can buy some coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any coin available on the market section. We're gonna discover it together in this video. Also, you can complete your first futures trade, and then you are in. So the top 100 users by total volume will each receive 50 USDT. So this is the offer. It's still running. You can join right now. So you'll find the link down below in the description. For sure, this is not financial advice. You can get into it and learn more about it. As you can see, this is the market section. So from here, you can discover the spot, futures, and new pairs. So for the spot, as you can see, we have the Shiba USDT, Elio USDT, Algo USDT. So all these tokens or pairs are available to trade. For example, we have Bitcoin pairs, Ethereum pairs, USDC pairs, which is very amazing. We can go to USDT, for example, search for Bitcoin. As you can see, this is the price of Bitcoin right now. It's 119,000 USDT. You can go directly here in this page. So for example, if you want to be a holder of Bitcoin and you are in this massive way of Bitcoin, as you all know, Bitcoin is making a great moves. All you need to do here to scroll down in this section, we have the spot, the isolated 5x, the cross 3x. Also, we have the grid. You can set up a great strategy. You can discover it from here in this video. As you can see, the price range or lower, upper, and then you can go with it. As you can see, the number of grids, investment amount, as you can see, the advanced OPT, which is super amazing. And with this grid bot, you can like automate your strategy. So if the market goes down, you're gonna buy. If the market goes up, you're gonna sell and take the profits. So this is how it works. You can learn more about the grid, and you can set up this over here with the lower fees. So here we have the spot. For example, I want to buy this $48 in on Bitcoin, which is super easy. All you need to do here, click buy, and after grabbing some tokens, you can sell it directly. So let's show you demonstration over here, as you can see. And here in order history, you can see your funds over here. As you can see, we have the order. We can close the order or sell it from here. It's limit order. We can go and sell all the tokens. Click sell. As you can see, we have the funds over here. You can also set up a market order if you want to buy with the current market price. So you can set up the price over here or use this scroll bar, buy and sell the token after you make some gains. Super easy. Also, the chart is very useful with a lot of trading tools. It's powered by TradingView. You can use all the analysis tools. We have all the time frames. We have different type of charts that help you analyze the tokens and do your technical analysis the right way. This is why I really like this platform. And with the trading fees bonus, which is super amazing, you can trade freely with the freedom without the higher or the limitation of fees. So here, let's come back and check out the future markets. You can go over here and check out the futures, which is super easy. The platform is very user friendly and easy to use. So here we have some available balance over here. We can place a market order over here, choose the USDT order value by USDT, and you can open a long or short position. To open a long or short position, it's super easy. For example, let's go short. Just an example for sure. Before going short, you need to make or to place some balance. For example, let's go here short, and as you can see, we have a position over here. So here, as you can see, we can check out all the details. We have the quantity, the entry price, market price, and all the other informations. And also we have the leverage, which is over here. I just did just 5x. We have up to 125x, which is super amazing. So this will help you to maximize your profits. For sure, the risk will be higher, but this is based on your strategy and your risk management. You can go with lower or higher. So in my case, just 5x. That's for this demonstration. As you can see, we have the P&L, which is the ROE. And we have the markets over here. As you can see, we have the markets and limits. So for the limits, you can set up a price quantity. For the markets, you can go with the quantity that you want to sell. For example, here, and click market. As you can see, we've closed the position successfully. You can go here to check out all the details. We have the order history. So here you can check out all the trades history, the P&Ls and all the informations. P&L history, we have the trade history, and we have all the details from here. So we can go to overview in this section. So here you can check out your wallet, your funds. So here we have Bitcoin, we have USDT. So all your assets will be appeared here for sure. We have also the accounts. So here, the identity verification. You need to verify your account to break the limitations. We have 30,000 USDT daily. And here are a few quick tips to optimize your trades and fees even more. So you can use limit order instead of market orders whenever possible. They are often cheaper. And take advantage of low volatility hours to avoid slippage, which is very important. Also, the slippage in this platform is very low. You can trade your feet here. Some platforms reward you for more volumes, and this is the case. You have 30% off from the trading fees. So this is massive. So between the 30% fee discount and the bonus airdrop of $50, Exchange1 gives new traders a great reason to try the platform. If you are looking for a lower costs and high rewards, this is a solid option to test out. So this is the end of the video, guys. You'll find all the useful links about Exchange1 down below in the description, so you can go and try it by yourself. As you can see, we have 6 days left on this massive event, so you can go sign up, complete KYC, trade any futures pair, and get 30% off. It's super easy. So this is the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Peace out.